Hello, everyone. Dr. Sue here from Morter Institute, Bridging Science, Spirituality, and Human Possibility. I'm going to take a moment and invite you to something that is the first time I have ever live streamed this content, and it is our Sedona Retreat information. The Sedona Retreat is about your lineage. It's about our genetic inheritance, and it is about our energetic inheritance. It is an exploration of ancient civilizations that have been on the planet before and that have left behind amazing, mysterious, mystical clues for us as to an intelligence beyond the one that we are currently operating on. We find these clues that were obviously built with technologies that we are unfamiliar with today, and even only now beginning to invent ways of understanding what they are. Clues from ancient Egypt, from the Great Pyramids and all the temples up the Nile, and clues from Machu Picchu in South America, and the idea of temples there that were built with obvious means that we are unaware of. I so look forward to sharing this information with you. It is so deeply meaningful for me. And I know some of you out there have already heard some of these ideas that I have shared with you in other workshops. But I'm going to put it all together in the form of the greatest story that has ever been told on this planet. And it's the same story that's been happening all the way from the lore of ancient Lemuria and ancient Atlantis through ancient Egypt. We'll also be working with the energies of Sedona in the United States. And we'll also be working with Stonehenge and the energies of ancient Ireland as well. Many of the principles and the practices that have been gathered together as techniques of manifestation and meditation, etc., are all involved in a genetic coding that has been revealed to us is a culmination of multiple species identifiable in our own DNA. Crazy ideas that science is bringing some understanding to, and I have the great opportunity of sharing with you my own personal experience in consciousness of many of these places. So, we take our Journey Awakes to many of these places, and those of you that can't join us on the Journey Awakes, I debrief it every year in the Sedona Retreat. Now, for the first time, we're going to be streaming this for you around the world, that we might be able to come together in a unified family sort of way and connect in on some of these ancient truths that are attempting to play through us alive and well even today. We've never been taught how to tap those wisdoms, so I, of course, will be offering you circuit-building techniques on all of these aspects, including working with the elementals and the angelic realms and the planetary hosts and those kinds of things that I'm attempting to demystify some of the representations that have been associated with so many of these topics over the years. There is some validity to so much of what we have counted or discounted as truth. And I look forward to tying it together for you and for the greatest good, potentiating that inside your system so that you can become active and alive in ways that you were ultimately meant to be. So this will be many experiential exercises. This will be a recorded live stream. It'll be an interactive live stream. You'll be able to ask questions, and I'll answer those questions for you as we go along the way. And it'll also be recorded so that you can watch and rewatch and study and tie these pieces together. It is an amazing opportunity for you to unpack the mysteries that we hear so very much about in a very user-friendly way that will make a difference in your life experience. When you have these understandings and you're building the neurocircuitry to activate these aspects of your own system, you will see your life change because you are operating as the multidimensional being that you truly are. So I look forward to inviting you into the Sedona Retreat. It is May 29th, 30th, and 31st this year, and I so look forward to unpacking some of the greatest mysteries on earth with you together. So join us for the Sedona Retreat. I look forward to seeing you there.